Greetings, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Chef Will's Weekend Throwdown. It is episode 12, and we are back at it again. Strawberry Shortcake, guys. You asked, how did we even get here? Guys, last week we had a poll. It was between blueberry muffins and strawberry shortcake, and blueberry won by one vote. I was getting so many responses, comments, DMs, like, strawberry shortcake's gotta win, it's gotta win. So listen, I looked out for y'all. I look out for y'all. You're my people. Come on. I got you strawberry shortcake this week. So you guys be sure to look out for it. I told you guys how to get the biscuits done with the pancake mix, the fresh strawberry, making your own whipped cream. I got you. Stay tuned. You're going to love this episode. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. And if you guys just like checking out the content, got a playlist, Weekend Throwdown playlist. And also from episodes 1 through 12, be sure to like, comment, all that. Guys, I thank you all for rocking with me this far. We got a long way to go. Thank you guys for tuning in for this journey. Chef Will's Weekend Throwdown. Here's to the episode, Strawberry Shortcake. I'll see you guys.